Open it up. Oh, that wasn't as cool side. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sorry Sam Beer Reviews. And I regret to say that I had a whole special video planned that I was gonna do that I filmed with my good buddy Eric and my friend Bailey and with Sam, my girlfriend. And for whatever reason, my camera decided to take a poop on me. So it looked a little bit something like this. Welcome back to another episode, Sorry Sam Brewing, or not brewing, my god.
What are you brewing?
I don't know.
Like, whoa! And it was the best thing ever.
Shove this in the guys' faces and this will be their favorite one and they'll have to chug this one.
So obviously the potato quality, I have some standards, I couldn't put that on the air. And but it was really fun, and I'll put some snidbits in the beginning and in the back of it and stuff like that. And you can check them. I mean, hopefully I can repair it, but I don't know. So with that being said, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you already have it. It really does help out the channel. And what we are going to be doing today, I've been getting tons of requests to do this type of video, and I know I've said in the beginning that I'm not doing just beer. I'm going to be doing ciders and drinking games and beer gear and stuff like that, but I'm also going to be doing mixed drinks, which is what I'm doing today. And this is a personal favorite of mine. It is called the Sex on the Beach, and there's a million names for it. It's very common, but a lot of people have never tried it before, and it is absolutely delicious. And for all of my woman subscribers and her girl subscribers and stuff, or viewers, I guess I should say, it is delicious. My girlfriend, my roommate, they're all my buddies' girlfriends. I make it for them, and then I don't get to leave the kitchen because I have to keep making it. And it's so good. It's really easy to make. It's really cheap. All you need is a bottle of Malibu. You can get the dark, which is a little heavier, and I prefer the dark. I don't really notice a taste difference, but you can get it if you want. Some OJ. Or you can get, there's a, me and Alan, who you guys have seen on the channel, we discovered it. There's a Spanish version. It's like a tropical pineapple orange punch that is delicious when you put it in. And then a splash of cranberry juice. And then a cup of ice. So that's all you need. Super simple to do. And I'm gonna walk you through the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is get your Malibu and open it up. Now this Malibu is 21%. Again, the dark version, I think it's called, is a little higher. I think that's 40%. So pop the cap on this guy. I hope that looked cool. And you can put, literally, I don't know if you guys have had this, but this was the White Claw before White Claw was a thing. It's the white girl rum, I call it, but it is delicious. It goes down really smooth. You can drink it right out of the bottle if you want. Now I pour a little heavy on this. Now granted, the glass really kind of fills up quick, and it's a lot thinner. That's just a nice thing. But you get it to, if you're, depending on what level, let me even drink some of this. Woo! So, again, I keep it, I like it heavier. And with this stuff, it's really not that strong. You really don't need that much. Oh crap, we'll need to find the cat later. But you really don't need that much, so I put it about 1/3 of the way. Then, what you're gonna do, the next step is the OJ. So, everybody knows orange juice. If you don't, get out of the rock that you've been living under. Or if you're allergic, I'm sorry, I don't mean to be offensive. But with that, you're gonna pour the remainder of this into the glass and leave just a little bit right about there for the cranberry juice. And this really kind of calms out. It doesn't give you that sharp bite anymore of the Malibu. Not that it's Malibu, there's not that much in it. If you guys have had it, it's again very tamed liqueur. And the final step is the cranberry juice. Cranberry juice, very tart, and believe it or not, alone the Malibu and cranberry juice is it's a good combo enough by itself. A lot of the times, again, you'll bring it to a party, and since you pour primarily orange juice, you'll run out of orange juice before you run out of the cranberry juice. So in a pinch, it is good. It's just not as good, and it's not a Sex on the Beach. So with that, you just want to do a splash. On top of that, without it being delicious, and I hope you guys can see it, it is delightful. It is, I've been told I say delightful, but it is awesome looking. It's really pretty. It's kind of a show to do. And so what you want to do once you get it, it'll look just like this. Give it a quick little mix. I didn't get a mixer, so I got a chopstick now. And what you're going to do is give it a quick little mix. And it does kind of lose its pretty aroma to it, which is too bad. But you want to mix everything together so you get that full mouth of deliciousness and goodness that the sex on the beach can bring you. Now, I learned this drink, and again, it's a pretty common drink that a lot of people, I'm sure there's a million names for it, but most people, again, I've given it to a bunch of people, they've never tried it before, or they just never thought to attempt it. But I learned this from my old friend Vincent and my old friend Olivia, who I used to drink with all the time, and they're the ones who taught me this, and I've been hooked on it. I've showed it to a bunch of other people. It's delicious. Try it. Oh, it's so good. And it is deadly, but it's not too deadly to where like you're slamming them back, but because it's such low, the Malibu is such low alcohol that it really doesn't matter. But you can mix this, you can put a little pineapple on the tip, wooden tip. It's very tropical. It's great, and for the end of the summer that we're coming to, what a way to end it off with a nice tropical drink. And yeah, so that's it. That's the drink for the day. I don't know where I put all my caps. And thank you guys again for making it this far into the video. I'm not chugging this because I gotta work early tomorrow and it's late because I discovered that my camera footage isn't good. I had to make a surprise video, but I figured what better time to do this than in a panic mode. So thank you guys so very much. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Try it out. I'll leave the description in the video or in the bio if you want to make it. And I mean, it's pretty simple. It's 3 steps, and it's pretty cheap too, which is nice about it. But thank you guys as always. Cheers. Have a good night. Oh, it's so good. God bless. It is so good. Maybe I will check it, but off camera.
Poodles, go.
Hey.